Hello and welcome to HCN News Bulletin. I'm Conrad Souza. Now let's take a look at the top stories.
Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar said government is expected to receive around 3,000 crores from the e-auction of mining ore. Mentioned the Tejpal's case is no more under the government.
Now the news in detail. Briefing a press conference, the Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar stated that the government is expected to receive around 3,000 crores from the e-auction of mining ore. Speaking further on the Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat plots at Donapaula, he mentioned that the cabinet has taken a decision to re-tender the said plots. As regards to the Tejpal's case, he mentioned that it is no more under the government.
Addressing media person, the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the government is expecting to receive approximately 3,000 crores from e-auctioning of mine ores. He also said around 800 crores will be under the treasury of Government of Goa.
million ton ಇದೆ पर मिलियनाक 2000 गुणिले 10 लाख 200 कोटी पर मिलियन रुपये येतले सो 15 दुणे 30 3000 कोटी रुपया ऑक्शनाचे येतले अप्रॉक्सिमेटली राउंड फिगर गिव एंड टेक 10-15% म्हणजे 2,500 ते 3,000च्या मध्ये येतले 2,500 आयले जाल्यार म्हाका पयली 10% डायरेक्ट रॉयल्टी 250 कोटी 5.5% वॅट 5.5 म्हणजे 5% ऑन द ओर प्राइस आणि 0.5% ऑन द रॉयल्टी कारण टॅक्स कम्स आफ्टर द रॉयल्टी सो 55 गुणिले 2,500 140 कोटी सुमार सो दॅट मेक्स इट अराउंड 400 crores टू द गव्हर्मेंट. Now, some of the ore is confiscated, maybe a couple of million. So that couple of million 200-400 कोटी मूळ अमाउंट आमकां दितले. So we can be richer by about 800 to 1,000 crores.
Cabinet has taken a decision to re-tender the plots that come under Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat at Donapaul, of which total area of 31,073.67 square meter is for setting up of IT and ITES. For bidders, price is reserved at rupees 25,000 per square meter.
दूसरा विषय कैबिनेट has taken a decision to re-allotment of plots at Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat Donapaula 31,073.67 square meter on as is where is basis for setting up of information technology and information technology enabled services under phase 1. For the highest bidder with reserve price of rupees 25,000 per square meter. So 5 plot आते हैं. You can take the copy if anyone wants. 5 plot आ 7,200 7,500 round figure आनु लेता. The exact size is slightly different.
Speaking on the Arun Tejpal bail application, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar stated that all evidence has been produced to the court.
I will not make comment on Tejpal, but I'll ask you only one question. Number one, evidences are given by the government, not by the accused. Accused has to produce evidence. In any case, not only Tejpal, to prove his innocence. Accused cannot demand a particular evidence to be produced. But more than that, in Tejpal's case, that what he is saying is not.
With Amar Chavaria, Aftab Sheikh for HCN.
The General Council of the Ravindra Bhavan, Margao on Wednesday resolved to request the government to grant autonomy to the institution. The General Council meeting took stock of the situation, especially the delay in the execution of repair works by the PWD.
After the meeting, Ravindra Bhavan chairman Damu Naik told the media that council had decided to pursue with the government the construction of twin project of the hall and auditorium at Ravindra Bhavan complex.
रवींद्र भवन अजूनही हँडओव्हर करू ना म्हणजे ते हँडओव्हर करचे का अजूनही ते PWD कडे आशिल्ले कारणान काही गजाली आमकां फेस करचे पडटा म्हणजे आमकां परत परत ते आर्ट एंड कल्चर मदर डिपार्टमेंटाक बरोवप आनी मदर डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान ते PWDन वचप जेणे करून ते काम जायना आनी ब्लेम आमकां येता म्हणजे सादो टायल सुद्दां सुटिल्लो आसा जाल्यार सुद्दां कितें आसा ते कोणाचें उतर जें आसा तें आमी फेस करचें पडटा. वी आर द गव्हर्निंग बॉडी बट ही सगळी कामां थ्रू टेक्निकल हातून आसा सिवील इंजिनियरींग इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियरींग मागीर प्लंबर्स आनी AC, डिझल ह्यो सगळीं जी कामां आसा ती कामां त्या त्या क्षेत्रांतली आसात म्हणजे ते मॅकॅनिकल आसातली ऑपरेटर सिस्टमांतली आनी अंडरग्रावंड पायपलायन म्हणा इलेक्ट्रीक आवटले म्हणा मॅप प्लॅन हे सगळें अजून आमचे कडेन कांयच हँडओवर करूं ना ताची खूब अडचण जाता सो आमी सरकारा कडेन परत एकदां डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागला की हे सगळ्यो गोश्टी सुटाव्यो करच्यो.
With Santosh Miraskar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Shiv Jayanti was celebrated with traditional ceremony and joy across Goa on Wednesday. Major celebrations were seen at Ravindra Bhavan Margaon, Hutatma Chowk Mapsa and Falmagudi.
At Margaon, Ravindra Bhavan chairman Damu Naik paid floral tributes to the Maratha warrior in the presence of members of Ravindra Bhavan. He also recalled Shivaji rule and underlined the need to pass on the history to young generation.
आयज त्या निमतान छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांक याद करप तांणी केल्लें शौर्य तांचो पराक्रम त्याच बरोबर ताणें घेतिल्ली शपथ हिंदवी स्वराज्याची स्थापना आनी रयतेचें राज्य निर्माण करपाचे तांचो संकल्प ह्या खातीर भुरग्यांच्या मनांत तशेंच प्रत्येक गोंयकाराच्या राष्ट्राभिमानाच्या मनांत भितर राष्ट्रप्रेम जागृत जावपाक जाय म्हणून हो दीस आमी याद करतात. आयज रवींद्र भवनच्या कार्यावळीन इंग्लीश तारखेनुसार आयज छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांची जयंती साजरी जाल्या. आमी आर्गांवांतले संध्याकाळी 7 वाजता करीन ती पूर्व ह्या नाटकाचो प्रयोग जातलो सगळ्यांक निमंत्रण. तशेंच मागीर तिथीनुसारय आमी अजिंक्यतारा ह्या संस्थेतर्फे आमी कार्यक्रमाक वांटेकरी जातात.
Meanwhile, Bades Taluka Shiv Jayanti Samaroh Samiti also celebrated 384th Jayanti of Shivaji. Freedom fighter Mohan Ranade and MMC chairperson Sandeep Falari were also present on the occasion.
त्यांनी अवघ्या कोवळ्या वयात 16-17व्या वर्षी हिंदवी स्वराज स्थापन करायची शपथ घेतली आणि अख्खं आयुष्य पुन्हा 50 वर्षाचं आयुष्य ते खरं करून दाखवण्यासाठी ते साध्य करण्यासाठी जी अपार परिश्रम मेहनत आणि जीवावर उदार होऊन त्यांनी जी एक पराक्रम केलेले आहेत.
With Santosh Miraskar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Intruz is a Hindu festival celebrated just before the famous festival of Carnival. Speaking on the occasion of Intruz festival at Dongrim, Satandre MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh explained how Intruz festival got its name and identity.
इंत्रूज हो एक ऐतिहासिक सण. खरें म्हणजे इंत्रूज हो शब्द स्पॅनिश लॅटीन. इंत्रूज म्हणजे कार्निवालाक ते लोक इंत्रूज म्हणटाले. आमचे कडेन पयलीं जातालो तो हांगा शिमगो. पूण पोर्तुगीज इन्क्विजिशनच्या काळान हिंदूचे सगळे सण उत्सव बंद उडयले. ते बंद उडयतकच आमचे जे पुर्वज आशिल्ले डोंगरेचे जाणटेले तेणी एक बुदवंतकाय केली. ते गव्हर्नराक गेले आनी ते म्हणपाक लागले की आमकां इंत्रूज करपाक आमकां परमिशन दी. गव्हर्नराक दिसलें अरे हे इंत्रूज करता म्हणजे कार्निवाल करता. त्या डोंगऱ्या तांकां परमीट दिली. ते परमीट घेवन ते डोंगरे येयले आनी तेन्ना सावन डोंगरेर इंत्रूज ह्या नांवान जाता. आतां हो इंत्रूज आहा हो गोंयचो पयलो शिमगो. आतां सगळे शिमगो गोंयचो 15 दिसांनी सुरू जाता. हो आमचो 15 दीस पयलीं जाता. पयलो गुलाल जो पडटा शिमग्याचो तो आमच्या पेडाच्या झाडार पडटा सगळ्यान पयलीं. आनी अशी तेजी खास सासाय आहा. सटी सायबिणीचो म्हणजे आमच्या षष्टी शांतदुर्गा देवीचो हो उत्सव.
Forest and Environment Minister Ailina Sardana, who was also present for the occasion, expressed her gratitude for being part of this festival.
Now, first of all, I would like to say that this is the first time I'm participating in this festival in Truz, which and I'm very happy to be present here. And from what I've gathered around, it is 5 wards that are coming together. The people from 5 different wards of Dongri are coming together. Now, this is actually a celebration of joy because the farmers have finished with their harvesting, the crops are safely at home, so it's time to have fun and to be together. And the beauty of this festival is that all communities, the Hindu community, Christian community, the Muslim community, all communities come together. So that this is a festival where a lot of bonding takes place.
People of Chinchini Trust felicitated Ivana Maria Furtado for her outstanding achievement in chess. She was felicitated by Advocate Radharao Gracious, who was also the chief guest on the occasion.
Along with Ivana Furtado, 3 teachers were also felicitated with the Reverend Canon Antimo Gomes Memorial Award. The teachers were Mrs. Milan Pereira, Ms. Estrida Pereira and Maria Barreto. The trust also awarded Ms. Megan Rodriguez for standing first in SSC exams in Chinchini, Asolna, Veli with 92%.
The Voice of Malbat Association Margaon will hold its second All Goa 3A-side football tournament under floodlights in memory of late Father Antonio de Silva on February 22nd at 4 p.m.
Elvis Fernandez gave more details on the tournament.
Voice of Malbat Association हे पावटी सेकंड ऑल गोवा 3A सायड फुटबॉल टोर्नामेंट अंडर फ्लडलायट आनी आमी जो फादर आंतोनियो डिसिल्वा ताका पाद नांव ह्या नांवान वळखता तेगे नांवाची आमी टोर्नामेंट करताय हो जो जातलो ह्या म्हयन्याच्या 22 तारखे आनी 23 तारखे जेजे पयले प्रायज जावन आसा 10,000 प्लस ट्रॉफी आसतली आनी जो रनर्स अप आसतलो तो 7,000 प्लस ट्रॉफी आसतली आनी अशी इंडिविज्युअल आमी खुबश्यो सरप्रायजीस प्रायज आसतली प्लेयरां खातीर.
It's Santosh Mireskar, Guillermo Almeida for HCN.
In the early 60s, Goans used to go to Belgaum to study English in St. Paul's High School, Belgaum. The Ex-Paulite Association of Goa had organized their annual get-together on Sunday at Margaon, taking a look at the yesteryears.
The Ex-Paulites, as part of the annual get-together day on Sunday, participated in an Eucharistic celebration at the school chapel of Loyola High School, Margaon, and that was followed by a fellowship and cultural program. Father Runi D'Souza, Father Apollo, Father Basil Waghe, and Father Anand D'Souza celebrated the Holy Mass. The president of the Ex-Paulite Association of Goa, Barnabas George, said the association is also involved in social activities in Goa.
And Jesus strike at the root of many of the intolerance. Remember, God has given us emotions, and emotions are neither good nor bad, they can be neutral, depending on what happens to it. But we are a fallen race, and a fallen nature tends to the evil, tends towards the selfish. Now, as both Christians and Paulites during the fight, we ask the Lord to help us. Help us to grow in maturity as Christians. As I pray for all your families today.
In those days, there were no English schools in Goa, so most of us migrated to Belgaum and took our education there. And in gratitude for what we received from our alma mater, we are carrying on this. A lot of social work, medical camps, and things like that. These activities are going on in the name of our school, St. Paul's. This is a get-together for Paulites and their families. Generally, we have this once a year, so that there is interaction among the families of Paulites.
With Savio Dias for HCN.
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again.
Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar said government is expected to receive around 3,000 crores from the e-auction of mining ore. Mentioned the Tejpal's case is no more under the government.
In our video of the day section, we bring to you some glimpses of Intru's festivals. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.